How do you say goodbye in Spanish? The word goodbye in Spanish is adiós. Adiós. For example, adiós hasta mañana. Adiós hasta mañana. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Ella dijo adiós con una sonrisa. Ella dijo adiós con una sonrisa. She said goodbye with a smile. Adiós is a general way to say goodbye, but Spanish also has some other lovely expressions, like hasta luego. Hasta luego means see you later. Nos vemos. Nos vemos simply means see you. And hasta pronto. Hasta pronto means see you soon. But you can always use adiós for goodbye. Bueno, me voy, adiós. Bueno, me voy, adiós. Well, I'm off, goodbye. Adiós y buena suerte. Adiós y buena suerte. Goodbye and good luck. No me gusta decir adiós. No me gusta decir adiós. I don't like saying goodbye. So if you want to say goodbye in Spanish, you can say adiós. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish at www.3minlanguages.com and use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.